going to pressure right now. Look.
Here we go. Plumber turn alert.
Come on, man.
You gonna slap?
All right, man, you gonna slap? All right. Hold on. So,
1, 2,
let's slap. Let's slap.
Twice.
Nah, slap. Boom. Nah, we can do it like that. Boom, boom. Oh, like support now, support. Hey, you need it. Wake up.
It ain't much left to be said, man. It's game day. It's game time. It's time to put on the show for these boys. Be who the we are.
Yes, sir.
We some dominant, hit sticking, lighting the ass up. That's who we is. That's who we gonna be. Let's go to work. Come on. Let's go now, blue.
Prescott under center for the first time. Hand off Pollard. Big hole left side 40. Here's third down. Well, they got to make this touchdown. At the Bears 4, snap to Prescott. Keeps it coming left with a block. 5. Strolls it in. Walks the dog. Touchdown.
Hey, every time. That communication, that tempo, all that don't stop it. Don't let them. We'll run these out of so fast. We'll run them out so fast.
Motion to the left. Snap to Prescott. A little play action. Standing. Deep post. Caught. Lamb. Touchdown. Third and 4. Fields in the gun. Half roll to the left. Rushed by Lawrence. Flushed out right. Look out. First down 30. 20. Strolls out of bounds. Second down. Quarterback keep around the left end. And Fields is going to stroll in.
Hey, on that call, damn near treat it like you got to saw his outside leg on. Run more outside.
They cut both edges as soon as you play, right? Then you go. Now we rap. That's look, rap. These guys gonna keep running. Hey, keep bringing your feet, keep rapping.
So here's the 3rd and 1.
Prescott quarterback sneak. He's got an easy first day. Still going down to the 25. Still going to the 20.
That might be the longest QB sneak of the year.
25 yards on the scramble to the 18 of Chicago. I formation behind him. Handoff, Pollard stars a hole on the left side, 10. Cuts right 5. Walk the dog, you Tony Pollard. Walk that dog.
He's so raw. Yeah.
Right off that dead.
He Tony hollered now, because if you call it, he hollered.
Tony Holland.
Tony hollered. I called that. That's cut on number 4, man.
It's just free off the edge and no one went straight down in between. Yeah. That's gonna show up on one of those cut-ups. Kellen Moore is such a genius. It's a genius. He takes the corner out of the play.
Back to throw. Here comes trouble, and he's going to be taken down by Osa. Odigizua.
Oh, we got to go get another touchdown. Show who we are. We got to go get another touchdown now. Show who we are. Bury these right now. Bury them.
Play fake. He's not throwing it to Davis. He's going to throw it to Ferguson. And Ferguson then makes like a rodeo cowboy and hog ties Dalton Schultz.
He ready to catch that. He ready to catch that. Did I do the dance?
Yeah. We're sitting in the huddle going like this. Woody Black. Ray Malik. I looked at Malik. I said, Malik, I'm going to dab you up to make it look like you're getting the ball. I get up in my 3-point. I go, I'm there. Malik crashes out.
And the Bears marching 1st and 15 at the Dallas 32. And Fields takes the snap.
Go get that boy.
Back to throw. Hit.
Go get that
as
boy.
he throws it down the left side. Intercepted.
Big six. Big six. Big six. Big six. Big six.
Penalties back in the
Flag
pocket.
in the pocket.
Let's just spoil my dream. Let's just spoil my dream.
So it's 3rd and 16 at the Chicago 19.
Let's go! Come on! Come on!
Fields in the gun. Back to throw. Parsons coming. He flushes out left. He stops. He dumps it short to the 25. Still moving Montgomery. Fumble the ball. Recovered by Dallas. Micah Parsons is on the ball.
And he's still alive.
He's still running. He's still moving with the ball to the 10, to the 5, to the goal line. Parsons recovered a fumble and brought it all the way back.
No one touched him down, Brad.
Hey, that's worth it. That's worth it.
Hey, Mike, I said we might need to put Mike in on the.
That's TV number 1 play. Congrats, gang. Hey, congrats, my boy. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Hey, we right back. We right back. We right back.
I had no idea you took the ball. Yo, you're like,
Even when you turn, you look back.
hey, no ball security. I was just trying to see if that new play worked. Yeah, you know.
Hey, I'm trying to race this to the ball.
Should we get you a rep in the back?
I'm saying. I'm trying to race it to the ball. Moving so fast.
But they've got more plays by 23-10 this half for the Cowboys. Play action, Fields to throw. Right side of the end zone, Komet's all alone. Touchdown Bears.
We're going to be all right. Let's go get the ball. We're going to be all right. Get your bodies loose. We got to come out now. We've been off the field for a minute. Ready to go. Ready to go. Yes, sir.
At the 46-yard line, 3rd and 1. Handoff, Pollard coming left. Foot in the ground, first down and more, 50. Good block from the tight end. Sideline, keep running. 10, 5, touchdown, Tony Pollard.
Look good, bro.
You got to outrun.
That's it. My was so tight and heavy. I'm like, nah.
I'm trying to clip you at the end.
I felt him.
Look kind of fast right now.
You hit like 17.5, 17.5, 17.5. I ain't gonna lie, that was not my fastest. Cause I wasn't even fresh.
He hit his low. Saturday speed.
I already know you feel me. You fast as hell. You just gonna try to beat around the end. So I'm like, you kept rolling to the right. I already know, but like every time I see you creep out, I know that's what you want because you faster than me. All right, you see your jersey, brother. Send it to my. Yeah, I'm sending it to you. Keep going, brother. Love you.